In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to set up Steelseries Sonar for Discord voice chat, step by step. First, open Steelseries GG, then click the Sonar tab on the left sidebar to make sure Sonar is enabled. At the top of Sonar, confirm that gaming, chat, and microphone are switched on with the toggles showing blue or active. Now open Windows Sound Settings, and under Output, set your default device to Steelseries Sonar, Gaming. Under Input, choose Steelseries Sonar, Microphone as your default input device so your mic runs through Sonar. Once both are set, we're ready to connect Discord directly to these Sonar devices. Open Discord, click the gear icon at the bottom next to your name to open user settings. In the left menu, go to Voice and Video. This is where we'll link Discord to Sonar. Under Input Device, select Steelseries Sonar, Microphone so Discord uses the Sonar mic channel. Under Output Device, pick Steelseries Sonar, Chat so your friends' voices go to the chat channel in Sonar. Use the Let's Check Test button or speak with a friend to confirm you can hear them and they can hear you. That's it. Your Discord is now fully set up with Steelseries Sonar. Enjoy cleaner audio and better control over your voice chat.